Hey guys, this is Harshila, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys my morning routine. Since it's been quite some time that I filmed one, I'm a morning person, so I really like to wake up early in the morning. But since the lockdown, I have been waking up a little late, maybe around 8 o'clock. Also, I'm not really a fan of alarms, so I usually prefer natural light waking me up. After waking up, first things first, I drink some water and I like to work out. Really enjoying working out lately. Some days I'll do full body workouts. Some days I'll target a particular body part. I've also been trying to inculcate meditation in my morning routine. So what I like to do is just do few breathing exercises. I've noticed that it just calms me down. Once that is done, I like to hop into the shower. Just wakes me up and just puts me in a better mood. While I'm in the shower, I like to do my skincare, and this video is in collaboration with Oriental Botanics. Oriental Botanics is a personal care brand that has a wide range of products which are paraben and cruelty free. The ingredients are sourced and harvested in a sustainable and ecological responsible manner. I've been using their 3-step skincare, which includes face wash, face scrub and a face mask. I usually start off with the Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree Face Wash. The face wash is meant for acne prone and oily skin. Now I don't necessarily have oily skin, but my T-zone tends to get oilier during monsoon. Also, as you guys know, I've been stress breaking out quite a bit, and this face wash has been working really well with my skin. The face wash is extremely gentle and soothes the irritated and inflamed skin. I also really like how it leaves my skin feeling hydrated and supple. It also adds like that healthy glow to your skin. Face wash includes tea tree leaf essential oil, which is really great for acne, passion fruit seed cold pressed oil, peppermint, lavender essential oil, and etc. So basically a lot of goodness. Following it up with the Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree Face Scrub, I honestly really enjoy this product. I love how it gently scrapes away the dead skin cells and removes all the impurities without irritating the skin or drying it out. I usually like to focus this product on my nose and around my chin, as that is where I do have like blackheads and whiteheads, and this just helps in like getting rid of those. It also helps soften the skin, lighten dark spots and blemishes, which is something that I really need at the moment. The face scrub has a lot of goodness. To name a few, it has green tea leaf extract, aloe vera leaf extract, witch hazel extract, and obviously tea tree. Since we all are in the lockdown, at least if you ask me, I've been paying a lot of attention to my skin, and I've been really enjoying using Oriental Botanics Australian Tea Tree Face Mask. I use this face mask once a week depending on how my skin's been feeling. The face mask is rich in botanical ingredients. It draws out impurities and excess oil from the skin, and it also leaves my skin feeling extremely clean and radiant. I also like the little tingling sensation that you feel when you apply this product. It helps lighten the dark spots and blemishes, also soothes the irritated skin. The face mask has kaolin, which is great for oily skin people. It also has tea tree leaf essential oil, peppermint and lavender essential oil. So these 3 products work really well with acne prone skin, and also like leaves your skin feeling extremely fresh and also soothes your skin. All the products are linked down in the description bar below. If you want, go check it out. You wouldn't regret it. Then I just head on to my kitchen to make some breakfast. I've been trying to inculcate fruits, so what I like to do is have one fruit, be it any fruit, sometimes banana. Today I had apple with 1 egg and some coffee. While I'm having my breakfast, I also really like to ideate or maybe write down my to-do list so that I don't really feel foggy later on in the day. like making to-do list has been a savior, and if you have been feeling foggy, I think you should definitely try this. It really helps. And yeah, that's about it. That's all that I do in my morning routine. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean the world to me. So please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, stick to the plan.